Good evening, everyone. Hello. My name is Aumlan Guha, and I am a mentee of Mreenal sir. I just thought of taking a quick couple of minutes of your time. I wanted to share a few thoughts about how I have been benefited personally upon getting into touch with him. I am in my mid-40s and I have been working in industry for close to 20 years now. So you could say I have seen the world a bit. I have worked in different geographies. So I have seen the world a bit, and I can tell you this, based on whatever I have interacted with him, he is one of those persons. You know, when you meet him and then you start working with him, you would really wonder, why have I not met him before? But then, as I always say, whatever happens, happens for the best, and it always will happen when it has to happen. So, to cut it short, some of the key benefits I have really, I would say, had after starting to interact with him are, first and foremost, I have till date, that is before I started interacting with him, I have never had a very clear idea of what I want to do, what I want to be, what my goals are. So working with him has given me the clarity. I really, where I want to go, what I want to do in life. So that is a clarity I have really achieved. Another thing I would really want to highlight is that he is a person who is really rooted in our family values, in our ethos. He always focuses on what our basic family values, our traditions, and it really makes you feel good when you really follow his instructions. So, and okay, one more point I would like to share is that when he helps you with his sessions, there are certain things like he takes you through some trances, which are essentially guided meditations. Those really benefit us. Personally, I have seen it benefit me a lot. For instance, it kind of takes you through into a different world altogether. So, in short, I would like to say that coming into contact with him, interacting with me, has benefited me hugely. And it's kind of, he helps you repattern your thought process. So, yes, I would like to say that working with him has benefited me immensely, and I am really thankful for whatever he's done for me. Thank you.